Good Friday morning, everyone. It's Michelle Mitten Prepper. I just dropped off my daughter to her favorite place to come for camp. She'll be continuing to attend a public school system here up until age 26. If you all don't quite know, I mention it a few times in some of my videos and or in the description on a video that my daughter is differently abled. We say differently abled. Of course, legal technical terms is disabled, mentally disabled, special needs, whatever they say. We say differently abled because it is of our opinion that everyone is able in different ways. So hence the reason why we say differently abled. I'm a disabled veteran, but I am still able to speak. Probably know who Alaska Prepper is. He is Rudy up in Alaska, and he is all things prepping. He's also a veteran. Alaska Prepper had a video that he posted, and it really hit home to me because, I've been prepping for 35 years now, and never did I think that I would have to be concerned for my daughter's future. Yes, she's differently abled. There's all the things involved with that. It's probably why I have all these, whatever it looks like I don't have hair there, it's there. It's just white from being a parent, a single parent, to a differently abled, now young adult, which I still can't believe. But, Alaska Prepper shared a video talking about, there's shortages of everything everywhere, which it's just mind-boggling. Some of the things that are going on everywhere. 1 minute it's just, okay, trucks aren't running or deliveries aren't coming, and then there's, this food or that food is in or out. Prices, yes, inflation. But when he said and shared that feminine hygiene products are out of stock, they're not arriving on trucks, and obviously females of various age ranges need products for us. I have prepped those items, not only for myself back in the day when I was younger, but, I have a daughter. Before she was even born, I was already stockpiling wipes, diapers, clothing, you name it. I'm a clearance shopper. You know it. If you don't know it, check out some of my things. I look for the best deals, high quality things at the best prices, always. People wear, liners every day if you're a female. Sorry guys if you're watching this, but if you have women in your life, a wife, daughters, daughter-in-laws, granddaughters even, these things are very important. 4 different stores, and last place was still pretty good on things, but there was one that was completely bare. I mean, the only thing that was left was the most expensive items. There are countries out there where when young women have their monthly cycles, if they're in school, if they're school age, they are not allowed out of the house because they don't have the feminine hygiene products that they need. So the families do not let them go to school. But in the United States, it's hard enough for families that are struggling with little ones. The thought of having to explain to my differently abled daughter why I don't have something for her, I would probably lose my crap. I have had an issue with the unknowns because I do have my differently abled daughter who does not understand that the world is not that great. They said she'd never do anything. She is polite, kind, and is respectful. That is exactly how I raised her. And that makes me, I'm not gonna cry. I will not cry today. I'm gonna keep telling myself that right now. But this has been weighing heavy on my mind since yesterday, driving all over the place, trying to find the feminine hygiene products that my young adult needs to have. It's ridiculous. I don't understand what the GOV is doing, but they are ruining the future for these generations coming up. The agendas of the people with a bunch of all the letters in front of their names and corn pop, you know, I have zero respect for that person. All we can do is try to pick the one that seems like they'll do the best job. I still would like the previous in. Again, really believe that we would not have half these problems if that other person was in office. If you don't agree with me, give me a thumbs down. That's fine with me. But thumbs up if you're kind of sick and tired of all the baloney going on. But I'm going to stop blabbing, continue to stock as much freedom sticks, whatever you want to call them. In other words, stay out my way, stay out my home, stay away from my family kind of things. I'm lucky I remember my name some days. Anybody feel like that? Hope you all are doing good. Keep prepping as much as you possibly can in any way, shape, or form. I don't care if you grow one plant in a pot. I'm the kind of person, I'll help you. If you truly need help, if you needed something that bad, I would give it to you. If somebody wants to come near my home and threaten me or my family and try and take something, I know people will do things like that in the future. But now you try and come and take some stuff, there's going to be some problems. It's already happening here. Also, start carrying cash with you. I cannot stress with you enough. Here in Michigan, it has been happening more and more. In grocery stores, they're announcing we cannot process credit, debit cards, EBT cards. I love y'all. God bless. Please do what you can and help others if you can. If you show a little kindness, spread a little love. But otherwise, love y'all. God bless. Keep prepping. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, all.